It is a pleasure to welcome our industry expert, Mr. Hariharan, today. Sir, is there any TDS in debt funds redemption?
No, there are no TDS except maybe for the NRI clients. I'm not too sure on that front. But typically, the TDS in mutual fund is only for NRI, not for resident Indians. TDS is only on dividends if your dividend income has exceeded 5,000 rupees in a financial year. In the growth option, there is no TDS. There could be exit loads, which is not TDS, depending on when you exit from the scheme.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.